When you hear of presentations, what is the first tool that comes to mind? If you ask me, I'll say PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a widely used software program for creating and delivering presentations. It allows users to create slides containing text, images, charts, graphs, and multimedia elements to present information in a visually appealing and organized manner. What if I told you that there's an AI tool that can help you create a full-fledged presentation from just one sentence prompt? Whether you're a business professional, student, trainer, or a tech enthusiast looking for the next best AI tool in the building, be happy, this tool will definitely make you 10 times more efficient in your work. Grab your coffee, sit back and watch as I introduce you to Decktopus. Decktopus is an AI-powered presentation software that helps users create professional-looking presentations quickly and easily. It uses artificial intelligence to generate outlines, slide content, images, icons, and even slide notes and scripts. This takes the stress out of presentation design and formatting, and allows users to focus on the content of their presentation. Let's jump right into creating our first presentation using Decktopus. In your web browser, type www.decktopus.com. Click on Get Started. You'll be prompted to sign up. Sign up using any Gmail account. You'll be taken to this interface. Decktopus provide opportunities to create a presentation. They include prompting AI from an already existing template or even from scratch depending on what you want. Select the Create with AI option. Feed it with your desired prompt. Select your audience. Pick an aim for your deck. How long do you want your presentation to last for? Pick the template you desire from the options you're presented with. Wait for the magic. Voila! Beautiful, isn't it? We have a presentation with an already beautiful look in less than 3 minutes. You could edit a slide, add another slide, change the look and feel as well as the slide layout. You can also share your presentations directly from Decktopus. Now, click the play button. Let's take a peek at the beautiful design this amazing tool created for us. Superb! We've got a beautiful presentation without stressing ourselves about the design. All we need to do is tweak the text a bit to suit our needs. If you're someone who creates presentations regularly, then Decktopus is for you. It is easy to use, affordable, and packed with features. It is a great tool that can help you improve your presentation skills and make a better impression on your audience. How excited are you to try this out? Did you enjoy this video? Tell us what you feel about this tool in the comments section. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you'll get notified once we post more exciting videos of this sort.